Dear students, my name is Devendra. I am a lecturer in chemistry. Today in this class, we have to explain about Boyle's law. Boyle's law is also known as pressure-volume relation. Before you see this video, please subscribe my channel and please do not forget to press the bell icon. So, what is Boyle's law? So, in this class, we have to learn about Boyle's law, derivation, important formulas which are used in JEE mains or NEET or other exams. So, next, what is Boyle's law? First point. This law was discovered by Robert Boyle. This law was discovered by Robert Boyle in the year of 1662. So, next definition. The fixed amount of a gas at constant temperature that means when a gas is kept at constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of a gas. So this is known as Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? The fixed amount of a gas at constant temperature. That means when we maintains, if we take a gas, when we maintains that temperature is constant, then when volume increases, then pressure decreases. When volume decreases, pressure increases. That means volume and pressure both are inversely proportional to each other when temperature of the gas is constant. So simply say, for example, this is a gas. So this is pressure, this is volume, this is temperature. When T is constant, when P increases, volume decreases. So they are perpendicular. That means they are completely each other inversely proportional. So that means this is mathematically written as V proportional to 1 by P, where T, temperature is constant. So V proportional to 1 by P. That means here V is equal to volume of the gas, P is equal to pressure of the gas, then T is temperature is constant. That means when temperature is constant, then volume decreases, then pressure. When volume increases, then pressure decreases. When volume increases, pressure increases. That means volume and pressure, they are perpendicular. That means they are completely inversely proportional to each other at temperature and when temperature is constant. So V proportional to 1 by P, then we remove proportional, then V is equal to K into 1 by P, where K is equal to constant. So this is then PV is equal to K. PV is equal to K is known as the simple form of Boyle's law. So PV is equal to K, where P is equal to pressure of the gas, V is equal to volume of the gas, where P is equal to pressure of the gas, V is equal to volume of the gas, and K is equal to constant. That means when temperature is constant, then the product of pressure and volume is equal to constant. So this is the simple form of the Boyle's law. So simple definition of Boyle's law is at constant temperature, the volume of the gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas. So this is Boyle's law. First you note it. So we know that PV is equal to K is simple form of Boyle's law. So it is also written as PV is equal to K, or P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is equal to K, or P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, or. So this is the first formula of Boyle's law, which is used in solvation of the problems that is say they are coming in JEE mains or NEET. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is the synopsis 1 or formula 1. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, where P1 is equal to formula 1. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, where P1 is equal to initial pressure of the gas, or pressure of the first gas. So similarly, V1 is equal to initial pressure of the gas, or so not the pressure, volume. So initial volume of the gas, or volume of the first gas. So similarly, P2 is equal to final pressure of the gas, or pressure of the second gas. Same last one is V2 similarly, that is final volume of the gas, or volume of second gas. So these are, so Boyle's law simple form is PV is equal to K. So first simple synopsis 1 or formula 1. So formula 1 is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This formula mainly used for the solvation of the problems which are coming in JEE mains or NEET. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is also Boyle's law. So where we know that P1 is equal to initial pressure of the gas or pressure of the first gas. V1 is equal to initial volume of the gas or volume of the first gas. P2 is equal to final pressure of the gas or pressure of the second gas. Similarly, V2 is equal to final volume of the gas or volume of second gas. So this is first formula. First you note it. So in Boyle's law, we have to explain about first formula. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So in Boyle's law, second formula. So we know that density D is equal to mass of the gas by volume of the gas. So this is density. Density is equal to mass of the gas by volume of the gas. Therefore, that means density directly proportional to the mass, then density inversely proportional to the volume. So we can write as density proportional to 1 by V. Here V is equal to volume. So D proportional to 1 by V. But so according to Boyle's law, we know that V proportional to 1 by P or P proportional to 1 by V, where T is constant. V proportional to 1 by P or P proportional to 1 by V. So here this is 1 by V, this is 1 by V. Equation 1, let me take, this is 2. From 1 and 2 equations, here then P proportional to D. P proportional to D at constant temperature. So here P is equal to pressure of the gas, D is equal to density of the gas. So it is also written as P1 by D1 is equal to P2 by D2. So this is second synopsis in Boyle's law, where P1 is equal to initial pressure of the gas. Initial pressure of the gas or pressure of the first gas. Pressure of the first gas. Similarly, here D1 is equal to initial density of the gas. Initial density of the gas or density of the first gas. Similarly, last one, P2 is equal to final pressure of the gas or pressure of the second gas. So the last one is D2, final density of the gas, or density of second gas. So P1 by D1 is equal to P2 by D2. This is the second formula. So in Boyle's law, there are two important formulas for JEE mains or NEET anything. So first one is P1. First one, Boyle's law, PV is equal to K. This is basic formula. So according to definition, V proportional to 1 by P, where T is constant. So formula 1, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is first formula. Second formula, P1 by D1 is equal to P2 by D2. So these two formulas of Boyle's law, generally we used in problems for the solvation which are given in JEE mains or NEET. So now the Boyle's law is completed. Boyle's law, very simple definition is, when temperature is constant or at constant temperature, the volume of the gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas, or the pressure of the gas is inversely proportional to the volume of the gas. Very simple definition. So Now Boyle's law is completed. Next class, some problems on Boyle's law. P proportional to D. P1 by D1 is equal to P2 by D2. Okay, now the Boyle's law completed. In next class, we have to learn about some problems on Boyle's law.